What is up, guys? It is Shiva from Nintencario, and this is the first episode of Apple Tech News. It's a very generic name. But beside that, we got some awesome news today, and really quick, the first piece of update that I want to let you guys know is to go and download this new iOS 11 update. You'll see it in your settings. I'll show a picture of the actual build number, but go update that because it fixes the Telugu bug crash thing. So a lot of my friends have been doing it to me. It's not funny, you know who you are. And yeah, so if you guys don't want to get messed with them, definitely update your phone. Speaking of update, we have iOS 12. So there have been a couple rumors surrounding iOS 12, mainly being that iOS 12 is not going to be an iOS version with a ton of features. Now, this iOS version is going to be focusing primarily on fixing those bugs and glitches that you see in iOS 11, and there's a ton of them. I've experienced them on my iPhone 10, my iPhone 7 when I had it. It was just really bad. So I kind of like how they're stepping up and seeing, hey, you know, there's glitches, let's fix these. So that's pretty much it with iOS 12. I'll definitely keep you guys updated on iOS 12, but that is iOS 12 news. So kicking things off, we're going to be talking about the HomePod, and the reviews are in. It's a tremendous product in terms of sound. Siri could use a little work, as you know, it's always been like that. You know, Siri does need a little bit more compared to Google and Alexa, I get that, but for general things, I feel like Siri has helped me with that. And so what's really great about the HomePod is Apple Music integration, but some people do not, so that's what a lot of reviewers are saying. So next up on the list is AirPods 2. Now they're going to be getting functionality such as water resistance, and so pretty much you're going to be getting also improved audio, which is really nice because I've tested these things out at the Apple Store and they're very convenient. The setup process is awesome. So AirPods 2, we might be expecting that around June time, March maybe, next month. And yeah, so we're kind of unsure about that. But off on a smaller note, in terms of Apple news, Apple was just named the most innovative company thanks to its hardware and software with things like ARKit, machine learning, and etc. So it's really cool to see, you know, Apple getting named like this. I definitely think that they deserve it. They've been doing a lot of work with ARKit, in my estimation, stuff like that. Now, another smaller note is Steve Jobs' resume is for sale. So, you know, they're auctioning, I believe I read $20,000. Yeah, $20,000. So that's pretty cool, I guess. I don't know if I would personally spend $20,000 just to get his resume. So
reports are suggesting that the new iPhone 10 Plus that will be releasing later this year will be coming with an OLED screen with a resolution of 1242 by 2688. A dual SIM card slot, as well as a new gold model. As you can see in the picture right now, we see the new X Plus screen with its digitizer, which was leaked by an LG display plant in Vietnam. Apple is rumored to be sourcing its displays for the larger 6.5-inch iPhone from LG. So this leak could potentially be accurate, who knows? But yeah.
Going back to the HomePod really quickly, of course it just came out. I personally do not have one, so if you'd like my opinions on it, and I definitely do have a ton of them, please leave a comment down below. And yeah, so this is it for the Apple News episode 1. I'm going to be making more of these, of course, on a regular basis as Apple News keeps changing. And yeah, so if you guys don't know, we also do gaming on this channel, specifically Nintendo. That's what my partner Ziad does. And you know, we just released a new series called Sequel Siege, where he discusses, you know, sequels and reviews them and says, are they good compared to the original game? So that's pretty cool. I also am doing an Is It Worth It series. The first episode is on the iPhone 10, so you should definitely go check that out and see if the iPhone 10 is worth it 3 months later. So that's pretty much it, guys. Make sure to comment if I should do that HomePod video, and like this video and definitely subscribe if you want to catch more content. Anyways guys, thanks so much for watching and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace!